What is going on, guys? So in today's video, what is this? I lost track, part 4 of our AliExpress haul. But today's video, we are going to be testing and installing these plastic ABS covers for these door jambs right here. All right, so we are doing the right-hand side first, passenger side. This is gonna go under like that. And then I think I'm just gonna push it in and snap it on. And then on the left-hand side, driver's side, same story. So let's go ahead and just repeat the process. Okay, that should be good. Then we're just gonna push it in like that. Done. Then we're gonna test it by closing it, see if there's any noises. Hope it doesn't snap. All right, so next we are going to install this bolt cover kit. It comes in a quantity of 10. Now I put one of these on here and then one of these up on top of here. We're gonna snap another one here, like so. And then that's it. Doesn't really make any tactile noises to confirm it's in, right? But here is a closer look from further to closer right there. Now in cleaning it, it doesn't seem that dirty so far, but I want to kind of prevent it from getting more dirty in the future. Looks good. Okay, so sorry. So there's a hook here that we have to fit under instead of over. So not like that. To fit this under like so, and it doesn't snap on. So what you have to do is use a 3M. We're gonna peel this, and I guess just. All right, sliding door test. Nice, so that is a good fitment. We already finished the bottom of the sliding door. We are gonna go on top to fit this piece. Right here, it just kind of slides over like so, loops over this portion, and all right, so we have the top and the bottom of the sliding doors all covered up. Last but not least, we are going to the rear of the sliding door. And again, this is the driver's side, the left-hand side. We have this piece right here to cover this portion right here. So you can tell, I think this portion is the dirtiest of all of them. So we had the car for about 4 months or so, and this is how much is collected throughout the spring, pollen, dirt, and everything. A little bit of snow, no salt, but this gets a little bit dirty right here. So with this, hopefully it keeps it a little bit more cleaner, less rust. All right, and I think it also protects that portion right here, the bolt right there. And it just snaps on like that. Also, this is 3M again. All right, guys, so we have the car all said and done. Let us go ahead and just do a summary of what we did today. Now, this is a sliding door piece. The kit comes with, well, not a kit. You have to, it's sold separately, but you have like a slight discount. You purchase all three. We have one right here with 3M tape. We have one on the top of the sliding doors to go ahead and protect the top portion. And finally, we have one on the rear, which I think is the most important, but also the most controversial. I'll talk about it later, but this is the dirtiest part. After 4 months of ownership, this was the dirtiest part that I had to go ahead and clean up. All right, they're all 3M stuck on, but to talk about the rear hatch, we have the snap-on pieces right here on the hinge, the left side hinge and the right side hinge right there, just snapped on like so. Very easy and really nice fitment, doesn't impair with the closing and opening. We have bolt covers right here. There's 10 of them in this kit, and it just snapped on like so, just kind of like wheel bolt covers, wheel lug covers, and about I think 5 right there, and then 5 right here. So all these will prevent rust, and you could go ahead and just use a trim piece remover to snap them back out and access whatever bolts you need. And overall, it's very nice. It's very nice fitment. However, what I want to talk about is this portion right here, and I think it goes, it's the same and goes for the same with the rest of the sliding door covers, meaning that it's going to make repair or maybe lubrication harder. So my whole point of this kit is to go ahead and prevent any type of dust, to prevent, to maintain the smooth, buttery process of the sliding door. Anyway, let's get to the point. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let's see, close the sliding doors on the passenger side, and you can see that this thing right here, I believe it kind of rotates the bolt. So I'm afraid that it's gonna make repairing or accessing this harder than without it. But you could go ahead and just pop this right out. It's held on by 2-3M tape. You could heat it up, and I guess in the long run you could go ahead and heat it up and just kind of pop it up. But for now, it's nice and snug. It's not moving. It's a little bit of force, but it's not popping out, right? Same goes with everything else, especially I'm very impressed with this part right here. It's not moving or not. But that is it. If you guys are interested, I'll leave everything in the description down below. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them to my best of my knowledge. But that is it. I highly recommend this product. I think it's a nice fitment. It's nice 3D printed, very well, good quality. And I guess that's it. Checking out. See you guys in the next one. Take care.